Walang pinoprotektahan, walang kasinungalingan, serbisyong totoo lang.
Saksihan! Sa pagpatuloy impeachment trial, pagsasara ng 3 accounts si Chief Justice Renato Corona sa PS Bank noong mismong araw na ma-impeach siya ng Kamara, binusisi umano'y bank documents ni Corona noong January 31 para hawak ni Congressman George Banal na bahagi ng sekretariat ng prosekusyon. Pero Congressman Ray Umali, nanindigan pa rin isang small lady ang nag-abot umano sa kanya na mga dokumento noong February 2.
13 barangay sa Polangi, Albay, binaha dahil sa walang tigil na pag-ulan. Buong bayan naka-heightened alert na. Sa Metro Manila naman, ulan at baha nagdulot ng matinding traffic.
Mga pangkat sa loob ng Bilibid nais nang unti-unting buwagin ng Bureau of Corrections kasunod ng riot na ikinasawi ng isang inmate. NBA rising star na si Jeremy Lin pinangunahan ng ikapitong sunod na panalo ng New York Knicks.
Ilang programa at personalidad ng GMA Network wagi sa 8th US TV Students' Choice Awards. Saksi.
Binusisi sa pagpatuloy impeachment trial ang pagsasara ni Chief Justice Renato Corona sa 3 time deposit account niya sa PS Bank sa mismong araw na inimpeach siya ng Kamara noong Disyembre.
At isa sa mga nasabing account, binuksan sa halagang 17 milyong piso. Saksi si Sherry Antores.
Sumentro sa 7 peso time deposit account ni Chief Justice Renato Corona ang testimonya ng 2 opisyal ng PS Bank. At batay sa bank statement ng punong maestrado, lumalabas na 3 sa mga ito isinara noong December 12, 2011. Ang mismong araw kung kailan siya inimpeach ng House of Representatives.
The Secretary General is indeed directed to endorse the impeachment complaint to the Senate.
Ang unang peso time deposit account na isinara noong December 12, 2011, may opening balance na 8.5 million pesos. Pagdating ng December 31, 2010, pumalo na sa 12.5 million pesos ang laman ng naturang bank account. Ang ikalawang account, binuksan noong September 1, 2010 sa halagang 7 billion pesos. Ang ending balance nito as of December 31, 2010, 7.1 billion. Pero ang talaga ikinagulat ng mga nasa pagdinig ay ang ikatlong peso time deposit account na isinara noong December 12, 2011. Binuksan ito noong June 29, 2011 sa halagang 17 billion pesos. Ang 4 pang naging time deposit ng punong maestrado sa PS Bank, binuksan sa mga halagang 2.1 billion, 3.7 billion, 2 million at 7.3 million pesos. Nakasara na ang lahat ng account na ito. Bukod dito, may 2 pa raw peso account si Corona sa PS Bank Katipunan. Sa kanya muling pagsalang sa witness stand, sinabi ni PS Bank Katipunan Branch Manager Annabel Chongson na ang 3 peso time deposit accounts na isinara noong December 12, 2011, winidraw sa pamamagitan ng manager's check na claim daw ng asawa ni Corona na si Cristina.
He sent an authorization letter to his wife.
And then?
So that his wife may get the manager's check.
Until today, they are not, the manager's check have not returned to the bank.
I will have to check on that, Your Honor, if it was they were already negotiated. We have the original and the duplicate. Yes, Your Honor.
Paglilinaw naman ng presidente ng PS Bank na si Pascual Garcia III.
I could remember that the time deposit was credited to one particular account. I am not conclusively certain about it. I will verify our records and then report to the court.
They were all closed on the day that the Chief Justice was impeached. And according to Congressman Tupas, the Chief Justice was impeached on December 12 of 2011. Ayoko mag-isip ng mali siya pero nagsususpecha talaga ako.
The House impeached the Chief Justice on December 12, 2011.
Pero paglilinaw ng prosekusyon,
insofar as the relevance of the 3 accounts closure to December 31 which was the reporting date of the SALN, Your Honor. It has no direct relevance.
It has no
We are
direct
only
relevance.
intending to show that there was an attempt to conceal certain amounts. If there will be an consideration of three amounts of the three accounts, Your Honor, it totals about 36 million.
Dahil dito, kwestiyon ng depensa kung ano ang kinalaman ng pagtalakay sa mga account na isinara noong December 12, 2011. Gayong labas na anya ito sa impeachment complaint.
They're referring to an account existing as of December 2011. And allegedly, there was an irregularity in this because it was not reflected in the statement of account of the Honorable Chief Justice. How can it be reflected? It must be in the year thereafter, before April of 2011. 2012, Your Honor. Apparently, the witness is being bulldozed to make an admission to the effect that there are accounts, there are deposits made, although it is not mentioned, Your Honor. It is not specifically delineated nor particularized, Your Honor. We want to say of record with due apologies to this court, Your Honor, that this necessarily partakes of a fishing expedition, Your Honor.
Ayon kay Presiding Officer Juan Ponce Enrile, tatalakayin daw nila ang isyong ito sa caucus sa Lunes. Sa cross-examination naman kay Chong Son, sinabi ng branch manager ng PS Bank Katipunan na wala siyang personal na partisipasyon nang buksan ang mga bank account ni Corona. Si Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago tuloy, ipinakita sa prosekusyon kung paano maaaring ma-admit ang ganitong hearsay evidence umano sa korte.
Was that record kept in the ordinary course of a regularly conducted business activity?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Here's one exception, Section 42, Section 43, entries in the course of business. Entries made at or near the time of the transactions to which they refer by a person deceased or unable to testify who was in a position to know the facts therein stated may be received as prima facie evidence if such person made the entries in his professional capacity or in the performance of duty and in the ordinary or regular course of business or duty. Counsel for the prosecution, will you take over, please?
Sa press briefing, ipinaliwanag ng depensa na ang perang laman ng mga isinarang bank account ni Corona noong araw na may impeach siya ay mula sa Basa Guidote Enterprises Incorporated, ang kumpanya ng pamilya ng asawang si Cristina.
Kaya po yan ay pinuprotektahan niyan dahil po sa Basa Guidote po iyon. At we have to be very candid with you. Siguro kailangan na namin sabihin ngayon kasi maglalaro ang isip nyo. Kasi po ito ay, although kumpanya nila ay may involved po ito na, siyempre among family, meron po yung kaso. So you will have to protect that because at some point in time, everything will have to be accounted for. Ibig sabihin po, lahat ng perang yan ay susuriin.
Bukod sa ilang closing bank documents ni Corona, ipinasampina na rin ng korte ang bank records ng asawa niyan si Cristina sa PS Bank Katipunan. Ako si Sharian Torres, ang iyong saksi.